Ħaniħu McKennin ukoll huwa immigrant kien ġib id-dajsa. Thank you very much for being here. McKennin gradwa diġà darba mill-Università ta' Malta u issa ħerġa jiggradwa bil-Masters fil-Environmental Science. U x'vera? Tgħid xi ħaġa malajr.
All right. So, thank you very much for inviting us.
All right.
My name is Makonnen Brhane. I'm from Eritrea. I arrived in Malta in 2005. After a couple of years working, I started my A-levels in Jawan Kormi Higher Secondary School, and I passed, and then I started at university. I graduated in Earth System Science in 2013, and I'm a student in Natural Environment and Resource Management this year. I'm going to graduate. I'm expecting to graduate this year. And
concluding.
This is my experience in Malta. I'm really fully integrated with Maltese. And what happened in Halfar is it's a silly thing, but we are here to say sorry. But then to say there are also a lot of people who condemn this action.
Even you.
Yes, of course. And so just say thank you to Maltese as a whole.
Okay. All right. Mela, malajr hemmhekk hemm il-kopja di xi ħaġa ħelwa Lemlem u Għaddiż dawn ġew Malta b'dajsa differenti iltaqgħu hawn. U x'vera? Kemm tgħidulna hello?
Hello. My name is, first of all, I would like to say a big thank you for everyone to organize this program, because of nobody knows it's happened tomorrow in Malta, you know. We don't say it like the one my brother said and my colleague before. We have a good communication, you know. But nowadays, just the Maltese, they are a bit, they have right, yes, true. It's not nice to do like that. We never do it. Even our country, we don't do it like that.
Okay.
We don't do it like that. So this happens for me, it's shameful. You know, it's shameful. 2007, I come here in Malta. I'm working in the carer in the Kalzimark. I don't know what I have to say about these things. It's shameful, I said, you know.
Ġidawn kollha qed jikkundannaw dak li ġara. Thank you ħafna.